Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to deploy Lovable app in Netlify. So open up Lovable, log into your account, and then just open up the app or the project that you want to deploy. So for example, I'll just use this one here. So click on the project, and then once you click on the project and open up the Lovable project or the app that you want to deploy, what we're going to do, you're going to firstly connect this to your GitHub. Okay, so once you open it up, you'll see there is a GitHub option here. So click on it to sync it, and then here you're going to select connect to GitHub. So I've already connected mine, so you can simply click on it and then connect it to your GitHub. So you can simply click on your GitHub account, and then it will be connected to your GitHub by providing your GitHub credentials as well as permissions. Just do that and get it connected. Okay, so once you do that, once you've already connected it, once you've already connected to your GitHub, what we're going to do next is go to Netlify. Go to Netlify. You can log into your account if you already have an account, or else you can simply log in using your GitHub. So I want to simply log in with your GitHub. I'm going to just do that. So plug in your GitHub credentials and then click on sign in, or if you have Google account, you can continue with Google. Okay, so once logged in, click on add new project. So you can go to your projects here and then click add new project, and then click on import from existing project. Okay, click on this option, and then from here select GitHub. Okay, and then once you select GitHub, you're going to simply authorize GitHub if you haven't, and give the permission. So since I've already authorized it, so if not, just provide your GitHub credentials and then authorize it. Once that's done, then you have your GitHub project here. So simply select your project. So in this case, it's this one here. I'm just going to select it and then give a name for your project. So whatever that is, just give it. And then once you have given that, and then you can like add your deploy or base directly all these settings here. This is optional if you want to, or else you can just leave it and click on deploy, and there you go. As you can see, your project is now being deployed, the deploying in process. So you just have to wait for a bit and this will be deployed, and there you go, it's done now. So your Lovable project has now been deployed in Netlify.